gukorwo magitacukia ikinya riri na kuria tabarira ino irongoreirio gukorwo ikihuthira makiria ma ciringi milioni 40.
Have the exact figure right now, but I know we had set about 40 million in this financial year's budget to have solar, to power the courts around the country with solar. And we have also made, we are making plans for the supplementary to ask for about 100 million. But generally, as a commission, the committee of the commission has made the resolve that we should move away from generators to clean energy. So that is the intention. And in order to make it faster, to expedite it and to make it more efficient, we are seeking funds and devolving the procurement of those equipment to the individual courts to be able to source for them.
As Chair has rightly pointed out, we continue to struggle financially. It is not a secret, the financial status of the judiciary, but we try our best within the resources that we have to take all these issues in chewable bites so that we can address, we can prioritize and see what can we...
And the prison authorities. The major challenge was congestion. And following our meetings, we've been able to initiate review of sentences as a committee. The courts have looked into the reviews and review of bail and bond terms for prisoners. Managed to make an initiative.
Tugetikane na riboti iyo igie unyihia wa ngarama magoti-ini tukirongore